question 2. And question 2 states the series, the summation from n equals 1 to infinity of n to the power of negative sine of 1 is convergent. And this is an interesting question. This is actually a p-series as well. So let's go here. So let's look at the solution. So solution, this is false actually. So note that this is just a p-series where p is less than or equal to 1. And you could calculate that. Or first, let's take a look that this is a p-series. So you could write this as, so the summation up to infinity from n equals to 1 of n to the power of negative sine 1. This equals 2, and you could invert that power. So get rid of that negative sign from n equals 1 to infinity. This is going to be equal to 1 over n to the positive sine 1. So this is just what this means whenever you have a power, a negative power like that. And so this one right here is just p. So that's just our p. Yes, in other words, this is the equivalent of a p-series from n equals 1 up to 1 over n power of p, where p is equal to sine of 1. So then we need to determine the value of sine 1 and use the p-series test. And so we can just calculate that right here. And here, if you plug in sine 1 to the calculator here, I'll just show you right here. Go like this. So this is my OneNote program that I'm using for these notes. They have a built-in calculator, so I can just press space, and this calculates it as over here. So this is in degrees, though. Let's delete this. So that's in degrees, and you might as well just bold these. I'll bold the calculations setups over there. Remove this right here. Yeah, so that's in degrees, but almost always, if it's not, unless it's mentioned, it's talking about radians. So you have to convert that into radians. So 1 degree times it by 180 degrees per pi radian. So divide by pi like that, and you're gonna get this answer right here. And you could just have a look right here. So if I press space, it equals to 0.8414, etc. So that is our answer. So this is in radians. Unless otherwise stated, this is usually the case. So p equals to sine 1 is approximately equal to 0.84, which is less than or equal to 1. And the p, this p series diverges. So this is false. So this is false. It is actually, divergent, not convergent. So that's very interesting.